What's up guys, I'm Farshid and welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna unbox one of the best USB dongles that I bought for my new laptop. If you didn't watch my previous video, which was my M1 MacBook Pro unboxing video, just click right here or wherever it appears. Yeah. If you're someone like me who bought a new laptop which only supports USB Type-C and you haven't upgraded your toys and still have a lot of USB Type-A devices, you're in trouble. Just kidding, you need one of these USB dongles which has a lot of USB Type-A ports. This particular one has 5 USB Type-A, which 2 of them are USB 3, and also it has an HDMI port, 2 SD and 1 microSD card slot, as well as 2 USB Type-C again. So you'll have 3 USB Type-C available after plugging this dongle into your MacBook. But there's always a but. You can only use one of the USB-Cs on a dongle as data transfer. The other one is pass-through charging, and you can only charge your laptop with it. I do not recommend that. Just charge your laptop directly with the port available on the laptop itself. That's the safest way to charge your laptop. Trust me. I got a dongle in space gray color which is matching with my new MacBook. It's beautiful, solid, and actually it's a good build quality. I like it. So I'm not going to talk more. Let me unbox this beautiful dongle quickly. Let's do it. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. You can also share this video with your friend. Yeah, that really helps me. As always, take care of yourself and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.